So in SEMA standard setting, clipping is not active. But what is this clipping? So if we go to the panel view and we want to show this in a wall plan, so we go to the layout view, and here you can see it's pretty annoying that we cannot see anything in detail. So we could change the scale, for example, to 50, but then the position is not right, so we have to give it a nice position. So for example like this, but then this one here we don't want to have. So the better way is to use clipping. We can go to the normal view, and then with F7 settings we go to Pictures in 3D, AutoCAD General, and here you can make the clipping active. So we can make a clipping for the vertical section in the area of 30 centimeters. So when you look at this frame around, so we can clip it away. So now it's just displayed in the area of 30 centimeters around it. And now we can change it, for example, to 1 meter if you want to. And we can also add a color. So if you want to give it a color, you can set this to original, but I like it in gray, so we can just display the wall we want to focus in color. Alright, and if you want to save it, you can save it as a template. So we click here in the F7 setting on Save as a Template, and then we can give it a name. So I like it to give it a number at the beginning, so we can find it right at the start. So let's name it Clipping 1 meter, and then we click on Save. And now if we're in the start setting, but if we want to change it to the clipping 1 meter, we have it here in templates, and there it is.